Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix your iPhone keyboard if not working. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your settings app and then go to general, and once you are in general, look for keyboard. So right here under date and time. So click on keyboard and then click on keyboards once again. Once you are here, make sure that you may be able to see your desired keyboard, such as English. So, also you may edit your keyboard, and then you may also add new keyboard if you want to. So, you may scroll down and look for the keyboard that you want, and then add it afterwards. If it still doesn't work, or if your keyboard still doesn't work, please go to General, and then go to software update and make sure that your phone is up to date. Again, if it still doesn't work, please proceed to the nearest Apple or Mac Center or contact Apple support for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix your iPhone keyboard if not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.